Okay, for the perimeter setting, you press the setting button for whole and long time. Then we show here PS is the password. The password is 93. So you press the setting again. Then it will come out 0 like that. Then you press this one, 9. This is a factory setting password. So it's 93. 93. Okay, then you press setting again. Okay, then you come to P1. P1 is the operation temperature. Operation temperature. If you want to set the operation temperature, press setting again. Then we operation temperature we set for 100 degrees Celsius. If you want the lowest, you can set for 98. Okay, then you press the setting button again. Okay, to change to next perimeter will be P2. P2 is holding temperature. Holding temperature. Okay, holding temperature you can set 95, or you want to set higher also can, 98 also can. Then to set, then press the set button. Then P2 is done. Then you change to another perimeter, press up again. It's DH. DH is heating delay. Heating delay you can set for 1 minute. And normally for 20 is the maximum lah. Then normally we won't set anything for this delay time. Okay, other parameter is H1. H1 is heating tube 1 closing condition. If you want to set, press set, and you can set up or down. Okay, this one normally we won't set. Okay, H2 is heating tube 2 closing condition. This one normally we also won't set. If you want to set, it's also same like H1. Okay, this one we didn't set. Up again. AH is intermediate heating temperature. Okay, if you want to set also you can set. Okay, we normally those parameter setting we just keep it as a factory setting. Only we set the operating temperature and the holding temperature that we want. Okay, this is AH. Next is this one is intermediate heating time. If you want to set, you also can set. Okay, intermediate heating time. Next one is RS. RS is temperature calibration. Okay, this one we didn't set as well. Next one is RD. RD is control deviation. We won't set. CF is either you want to use Celsius or you want to use Fahrenheit. Okay, normally we use Celsius in Malaysia, so it's set. Okay, that's CF. Okay. Next is the PR. Choose whether the basket is temperature control. This one you make sure your setting is 1. Okay, that's mean 1 is that's mean after you put your rod inside. I mean the rod after you put it inside, the heating element is at full power. That's when you put inside the time it will continue boiling. If number 2 is the rod go inside is under temperature that you have set, the heating temperature that you have set. Okay, okay, that is. If you never touch anything, then we will like go back to original. So we have to press back 93 for the setting. Okay, so pH, DH, AH, DP, RS is temperature calibration, control deviation. This one is Celsius or Fahrenheit. PR is choose whether the basket temperature control, as I told you, the 1. Okay, next is the DR. Okay, all those behind don't set anything, just let it maintain. Okay, until the last CS finish already, nothing else, then you just press set holding long, or you don't press anything to finish off the perimeter setting. Okay, then it will save. There is the perimeter setting.